Well, hello guys, I'm back. How everybody doing? My name is DeWanda and I grow in Zone 9, Texas Heat, Deep South. And I have a garden layout that I'm going to do with y'all. With that review I did with all my GreenStalks. Now if y'all do hear a fan in this video, y'all, I'm outside. It's still hot. It's still in the 90s right now. And I have my little fan hat on, so you might hear the fan in my videos. Please ignore it as best you can. I hope everybody doing well, my garden friends all the way around the world. And this is what I'm working with. I made me out a layout, guys. My layout right here. I made a layout of how I want these GreenStalks to be set up and my beds to be set up in this yard. Look at this yard. Look at this. And all my GreenStalks going to be just in this area right here. I'm trying to figure out, I think this is pretty much I think it's going to stop about right here at this line, because you see the sun is still about right there. I'm going to have my blueberry bushes back there in the back with a lemon lime combo tree. And this is where all my trees is going to be planted in ground. I'm going to try to have a pineapple patch and a sunflower patch way back there by the fence there. I'm going to have my little seating area right here. So let's get started with this. And my chicken run. We got a lot of work to do, guys. Look at this. A lot of work to do. Got to clean up all this up. Get all those bricks. That's what I'm going to lay my little seating area with, all those bricks right there. My little path roads with all those bricks right there. I'm going to have GreenStalks over there too. I don't have them yet, but I'm thinking I'm going to put some GreenStalks and a raised bed over there with some roses. So y'all stay tuned for that. Okay. And also what I have here, like I said, my layout, you know, my GreenStalks right here, GreenStalks, my grow bags, my raised beds, my grow bags are going to be right here. All this is going to be wheels right here on this little concrete area. Yeah, let me see if I can come right here and show y'all the width of this. It's from right here, starting from right here all the way to that line. That is what I'm working with, my GreenStalks and my raised beds on wheels. That's why they call me Garden on Wheels with DeWanda, because that is what y'all gonna see most of the time. Okay, this is what I also did. I tried to get how many GreenStalks I had right here, and I trying to see my color. I don't want just the plain colors everywhere. I want to mismatch all my colors. So all my colors, you're not going to see one GreenStalk of one color. Okay. So that's that. And this is how I'm going to follow what I'm going to do. This little chart right here. Okay. So let me get started with these boxes, guys. Look at these boxes. Look at these boxes. I hope I have y'all in frame while I'm doing this. I know for sure this is going to be my 2 5-tier strawberries that I want to plant up, which I'm going to have a video after I do this layout video. So stay tuned for that. That's going to be my 2 strawberry 5-tier towers. And they came in already in the refrigerator now, and it's been probably about 4 days since they've been in the refrigerator. So I have to do it within a week, y'all. They advise you not to keep it in the refrigerator to keep them cool more than 3 to 5 days, really. More than a week. So, all right, let's get started. I got my layout. I got what colors I want to put together. Bases. I got a lot of cleaning up in this backyard, guys, and I am just ready. I am ready, okay? All right. All right. I have 2 boxes I haven't reviewed or opened. And this box here, and I think it's another box that's not open. I don't know where that box is, but it's probably somewhere back there. All right, I'm gonna have to get started because the sun is going down, which is not a bad thing, but y'all gonna see my shadow too because the sun is facing behind me, so you're gonna see my shadow. So let me look at this diagram. I try to put everything together, label my boxes so I know where I'm going for. These right here, these 2 right here are like some stands. They're in the house. I'm gonna give a review on that. I'm not gonna set them up today. Today is GreenStalk layout only. All the raised beds and stuff, I'm gonna have another separate video for that too. So thought I had this box labeled, but I guess not. Let's see. Oh, that is my all my reservoirs. Okay. I'm just setting them up so when I come back out here I can break it down, and I'm gonna do my soil. Oh Lord, I don't know where to start, guys. Okay, this is the wheels and the seed trays right here. Oh, this box is not open. Okay, this is my original planters right here, the leaf planters right there, the spinners. This. Okay, this is to protect the lids. Okay, that's my lids. Okay, all right. So this is my leaf planters and this right here. I don't know where to get started, y'all. Okay, let's start with this first tier. This first tier right here. And this is the first tier. We need a stone bottom. Gotta turn down this way. We need a stone bottom, a tomato bottom, a sage, a blueberry, a stone, and a blueberry lid. Okay? This is my blueberry lid. And this is sage. I need 1 sage. Okay, that's my that was the weave basket. I'm not using those yet. Those are going to be for something else. Okay, this is my 1 sage. Okay, I need a stone and a tomato and a snow. Okay, stone. Tomato, sage, blueberry, and a snow. Okay, I think these are all stone right here. So now I gotta find that other box that had my leaf in there. My original seed spinners. Okay, I'm gonna need 4 of these. snow right here. Oh, my pages fell. I need a blueberry and my blueberry, and a tomato. And a tomato. So now y'all see what I'm doing. I'm putting my colors together before I set my stuff up. Okay. That is my 5 tiers. Put them in order. And my blueberry. And I need a reservoir. Uh-oh. Papers then went. What color reservoir? I don't know. I didn't put the reservoirs on here. I was just going to pick a color. We got a snow here. So I'll do a snow reservoir. Let's see. What's the top? A stone reservoir. I'm going to do a stone reservoir. Or a sage. I'll do a sage. Sage and blue. Snow. I'll do a sage. A sage reservoir. Sage reservoir we got there. Okay, I'm gonna do a sage reservoir. So I'm gonna go through all these guys. I'm gonna put all the colors. Oh, I need a spinner too. My sage reservoir here. I need a spinner and wheels. My spinner right here. I need a tube. The wheel's not in here. I think I put them in another box. Okay, my spinner. And I gotta find my wheels. Yep, this one right here got the wheels. And the wheels. So guys, that is my 5 colors, and I'm gonna set that up, and I'm doing them all. I'm gonna lay them out how I want them to be before I put the soil in there, so that'll save me the trouble of have to carry them so far. They're already where they need to be with the, and then I'll put the soil in there. All right, that's how they look. I'll be right back. Stay tuned. All right, guys, I got the layout like I wanted. Hopefully I can get these beds in here. The black wheels is where the planter is going to be sitting on top. I just put it on the side. So when I start to put the wheels and stuff, I just put it on there and start my first layer. Now every last one of these GreenStalks is going to have a protective cover on it, which is these right here. I'm going to try to see the difference in, give y'all a review of the difference in GreenStalk covers in these. I bought these off of Amazon. You get 2 pieces in this plastic too. And it is the frost cover, but I'm sure the sun can come through it, especially Texas sun. It'll go through it. The only thing I'm concerned about is how if the air will penetrate through it, and I think it will. I think it's breathable. So we'll see. All right. I got some strawberries that I'm going to plant up. Ain't that? I think that's going to be gorgeous. Look at those colors for fall. Yeah. Oh, y'all, this is a lot of work. I got some 2x4 Vigo beds that I'm going to put right here. It's going to have one Vigo bed here, a Vigo bed there, a Vigo bed here, and I'm going to push these out. I think I'm going to push these out a little bit more because I was going to have the Vigo beds, all 3 of them going this way. And I think that's how I was going to do it. But I have those 3 right here at the end that my Vigo beds was going to go. Yeah. And I have my another little part that I'm put right here, which is my smart pots, my fabric pots. So yeah, we're gonna have to put this together. Just can't have this sitting out here. So altogether I have 12 planters. And these the ones I didn't show y'all on that review. Is these. I bought some more of these that came in. The basket weave. And I got 5 sets, 5-tier basket weaves. 3 of them. Put those colors together. All right, guys. That's how I do my layout for my GreenStalks. Hope y'all enjoy my next video. I will be planting up some strawberries in this, and I'll be doing them a little bit at a time because I don't have enough soil to put these together, guys. But I will be putting together in another video my strawberry towers. And I'm thinking I might do these 2 back here, but I really wanted these 2 right here to be my strawberry towers. So we'll see on the next video. Thank y'all for watching. And like always, plant your wealth in the garden. Bye.